Hi everyone and welcome back to the Amalfi Coast. I am Danilo Romolini and today I will be walking you through a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, nestled on a hilly position overlooking Positano, a beautiful, enchanted and colorful waterfront village. Indeed, one of the most beautiful locations of Italy and of the world. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. This aristocratic property was built in 1741 on the ruins of a Roman construction. In 2013, it was then carefully restored by keeping all of its original features that make it so special. Let's go and have a look inside. The villa has a total of 500 square meters of internal spaces, so about 5,400 square feet. It has 12 bedrooms and 19 bathrooms, 350 square meters of beautiful loggias, and about 1,000 square meters of garden. It also has a beautiful infinity edge swimming pool, all of this overlooking Positano. As soon as you walk inside, you are welcomed by this impressive pergola, full of incredible time-worn details that bring us back in time. These outstanding spaces create an amazing outdoor living area. What's impressive about it are these incredible proportions with really high ceilings and beautiful details like these imposing columns that give this loggia a great sense of importance. Another impressive feature of this villa is for sure this gorgeous infinity edge swimming pool overlooking Positano. It is covered with this beautiful blue mosaic, and imagine spending a summer day here by the poolside, soaking up the sun, surrounded by all of these lush plants, this charming villa, and these colorful views. Just above the swimming pool, we find this incredible garden, which is something really special to have on the Amalfi Coast. In fact, Positano is also called the vertical city because properties are very close to each other and they're all built on a hilly position. So to have such a large, private, cozy outdoor space in Positano is something really unique. We're now inside the villa. As soon as you cross the entrance, you find right in front of you this beautiful, imposing staircase that connects all of the floors internally and splits the villa into two. In fact, on the right we find the kitchen and on the left, the living spaces. One of the aspects that distinguish this villa is how its original details have been left untouched during the restoration. We can notice this on these ancient terracotta tiles on the floor, these imposing high ceilings with original colors, and these gorgeous antique doors, furnishings, and details that truly express the effortless, timeless, and sophisticated soul of this property. These living spaces have direct outdoor access onto the loggia we've seen earlier. Through these two doors you see right behind me, you access to two separate and very convenient service bathrooms. On the other side of the staircase, we access to the kitchen of the villa. Here as well, we notice the imposing ceilings, the chandeliers, these floors full of character, and the direct access onto the loggia. Over here it has a dining space and sitting area, even for the colder months, when you're not eating outside on the loggia. And on this side, we get to the kitchen, beautiful with this original marble top, and right behind you notice these hand-painted tiles representing San Gaetano. An incredible feature of this villa is that each room has its independent access from the outside, making this property perfect as an accommodation business. Also, each one of the rooms has its little cozy outdoor space overlooking Positano from the comfort of your home. The villa is laid on 3 levels. We are now on the lowest level, where we find this beautiful terrace with access to 4 bedrooms. Let's see one of them. The bedrooms are full of charming details, starting from the tiles, the doors, the paintings. Everything is antique, and this beautiful patina makes them one of a kind. Every bedroom is equipped with fan coils that can make hot and cool air. We're now on the first floor of the villa, which is where we find 4 beautiful bedrooms. They are all named after Amalfi coast locations. For example, this one is named Positano and this one Capri. Let's see them. The bedrooms are gorgeous. Their style truly represents the authentic atmosphere of Positano. Have a look at how masterfully these ceilings have been restored and how well all of these frescoes have been preserved. We can say the same about the terracotta floors, and let me show you the ensuite bathroom with its precious hand-painted tiles. The bedroom we've just seen was named Positano, and this one is named after Capri. They are very similar in style, just as beautiful. Over here we have the ensuite bathroom. This is the 3rd bedroom of the 1st floor. Same style, bathroom over there, and what I love about this bedroom is that it has a view on 2 sides. In fact, over here we access to the terrace, and here it has its little immaculate balcony overlooking Positano. On the other far end of the villa we find the 4th bedroom of this floor. It is named Praiano, which is a village that you can also see from Positano, and it is just as beautiful with these wooden beams on the ceilings, the ensuite bathroom over here. I view many properties every day, and I have to say this one really left me speechless. The level of care the owners had for the restoration of it is absolutely incredible. Anywhere you look, you notice a detail that leaves you fascinated. They really managed to keep the historical soul of this villa intact. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did, and I hope to show it to you personally one day if you come to Positano. Until next time, ciao!